Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to be straight yet relaxed. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand. Release the breath slowly, feeling any tension begin to dissolve. As you breathe in, imagine a wave of energy rolling over you. With each exhale, let go of any heaviness or sluggishness. Shift your attention to your feet as they connect with the ground beneath you. Visualize roots extending from your feet into the earth, drawing in energy from nature itself. With each breath, imagine this vital energy moving upwards, filling your legs, your torso, your arms. Visualize a bright, invigorating light at the top of your head. With every inhale, see this light growing brighter, illuminating your mind and clearing away any mental fog. Feel your thoughts become sharper and your focus deepen. With each breath, allow this light to flow downwards, warming your neck, shoulders, and chest. Experience this energy as a gentle, revitalizing force, lifting your mood and clearing your mind. Embrace this glowing sensation as it travels through your body. Bring your attention back to your breath, noticing its natural rhythm. Consider how this practice of connecting to breath and light can serve you whenever you need an afternoon boost. Allow yourself to rest in this peaceful state, confident that you can choose this energy at any time. As you prepare to come back to your day, begin to bring movement into your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes, carrying with you a sense of renewed energy and clarity. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself